Hey everyone, this is Adam with 85295local.com, and this is the March 2017 video newsletter. Okay, so March is looking pretty good. February's numbers looked really strong. That being said, we actually saw that influx in new listings that we thought we were going to see. So we actually saw more, there's more homes on the market in 85295 this month versus last month, and this month of 2016 as well. So with that, the median home price actually dropped. So we saw that prices dropped a little bit, inventory went up. Those two things tend to go hand in hand. And here's why. We know that that happens year over year, especially right at the beginning of the year, maybe even into February, which we saw. We actually saw a higher influx in the inventory of homes that grew in February over January. So what does that mean for buyers and sellers? Okay, so on the selling side, now is a fantastic time to be putting your home on the market. You don't want the inventory to grow anymore, because the more homes that are on the market, the less your home is worth. The more competition you have, the more spectacular your particular home has to look. So now is a great time to jump on the market, meaning you can actually jump ahead of the market, because there's going to be another flood we normally see about May, sometimes even into June. May and June tend to be really high contract months, and that being said, if you jump April, even the beginning of April, all the way through the end really, you're going to jump and stay ahead of that market of people who are wanting to sell their house in the summertime so that the kids can stay in school. Okay, so on the buyer side, be aware that interest rates generally speaking, they're going to go up. We know that, we've seen that. Interest rates are higher now than they were last year, and the feds are talking about raising the rates again. Just be aware of it, not something to panic about, and not something to sit on the fence about, because if interest rates go up, even just 1/4%, you're looking at a lot less buying power, okay? So if it jumps up 1/4%, that could be $10,000 off of your purchase price. So if you can qualify for a $300,000 house, now you're qualifying for $290,000 and you're capped there. So just be aware of that. Get your ducks in a row on both the selling and the listing side. Let us help you get your information so that you're making an educated decision. We're so grateful for all the community involvement and the referrals that we've received. We're so blessed. We feel so grateful for that. Enjoy this month, and I will see you in April.